A wheel of a bullock cart is rolling on a level road as shown in the figure below. If its linear speed is v in the directions shown, which of the following is correct? So if you see, the angular velocity should be omega, so therefore this is v, and this at this point it's omega into r, so therefore v is equal to omega r. This is for pure rolling. Okay, so now which one is correct? Okay, so let us see, so let us see all the points. So point P moves faster than point Q. So what is the velocity of point P? So the velocity of point P is, so due to translation it's v, and due to rotation it's omega r, so therefore it's 2 into v plus omega r, and v is equal to omega r, so therefore it's pure, so I'm writing here the velocity of P. So P is having velocity v due to the translation, and due to the omega, so it's going to have omega r also. So velocity of P is v plus omega r. Now as v is equal to omega r for pure rolling, so therefore this is 2 into v. That's velocity of P. Both the points P and Q move the equal speed. The velocity of Q is going to be in such a way. So this is v and this is omega r. For pure rolling, v equals omega r, so therefore the velocity of Q is going to be 0. Point P has 0 speed, no. Point P moves slower than point Q, no. So point P moves faster than point Q, yes, that's correct, because this velocity is 2v and Q's velocity is 0. So therefore A is going to be the option.